Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the prerequisites. Check that both phone and headset support high-quality codecs like aptX, AUK, or LDAC, and note which one is active. Once done, fully charge both devices because low battery often forces downscaled audio. Next, reduce interference, turn off or move away other Bluetooth devices, and stay within 3 to 6 meters. These steps immediately maximize your chance for better audio because codec support, power, and signal strength are the three things that determine real Bluetooth quality. Now focus on the detailed execution. Open your phone's Bluetooth or developer settings and force the best available codec. This selects the higher bitrate path. Make sure your music app is set to high quality or lossless output and remove aggressive EQ or sound enhancements that introduce distortion. Update firmware on both devices. Outdated drivers often handshake at lower rates. If issues persist, unpair and repair to clear stale profiles. These actions change how devices negotiate and process audio, which directly improves clarity. Finish with final tweaks and a simple diagnostic. Play several tracks that you know well and compare the Bluetooth sound to a wired connection to isolate codec or hardware problems. If you hear dropouts or noise, reduce congestion, temporarily disable 4 GHz Wi-Fi or multi-point connections because they share spectrum and cause interference. Make sure to test after each change. If quality remains poor, factory reset the audio device or test a different headset. That tells you whether the fault is in the source or the accessory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.